Hello everyone, welcome back. Many times our Windows software automatically closes or loses administrator rights, especially when the software is running on a VPS or on a long-running system. Restarting the software again and again is not practical. The best solution for this problem is to run the software as a Windows service using NSSM. NSSM stands for Non-Sucking Service Manager. First, download NSSM from the official website, or you can use the direct download link provided in the video description. After downloading, you will get a zip file. Simply extract that zip file. Inside the extracted folder, you will find the NSSM application file. Copy that file. Now, open local disk C. Create a new folder and name it NSSM in small letters. Paste the NSSM file inside this folder. Next, click on the path bar at the top, type CMD and press enter. Now, command prompt will open with the correct path. Type the following command: NSSM install my service name. Here, my service name can be any name you want to give to your software or robot. After pressing enter, an NSSM window will open. In this window, you need to select the path. This path should point to your softwares.exe file. In our case, first go to the C drive. There you will find a folder named Forex Engineer. Open that folder. Inside it, open the folder with your software's name. Scroll down and you will find the exe file with the same software name. In my case, I am using the news filter software, so I will select that softwares.exe file. After selecting the exe file, click OK. Once the path is selected, click OK again. That's it. Your service is now created. To start the service, type the following command: NSSM start my service name. To check whether the service is running, type NSSM status my service name. If the status shows running, your software is now safe and will not close automatically. That's all. Your software is now running securely as a Windows service and will not stop due to administrator or system issues. Now, this software will run just like any normal Windows service. Even if you restart your system or VPS, it will start automatically, just like Windows audio drivers, video drivers, and other system services. Thank you for watching.